Important disclaimer: the MACD is a lagging indicator and can provide false signals, especially in choppy markets. This is for entertainment and education only. Always confirm signals with price action. What is the MACD? The MACD is a momentum-following trend indicator. It's composed of three parts. Part 1, the MACD line, fast line. This is the difference between two exponential moving averages, usually the 12-period and 26-period EMAs. Part 2, the signal line, slow line. This is a 9-period EMA of the MACD line itself. It acts as a trigger for buy and sell signals. Part 3, the histogram. The vertical bars measure the distance between the MACD line and the signal line. It is the visual representation of momentum. Trading strategy 1, the crossover, the entry signal. This is the primary signal. A bullish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses above the signal line. This is a potential buy signal. A bearish crossover occurs when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. This is a potential sell signal. The further the crossover happens above or below the zero line, the stronger the signal. Trading strategy 2, histogram momentum. The histogram tells you about the intensity of the trend. When the histogram bars are growing above the zero line, bullish momentum is increasing. When the histogram bars are shrinking toward the zero line, momentum is slowing down. This shrinkage often happens right before a crossover and can act as an early warning for your exit. Trading strategy 3, zero line crossover, trend confirmation. The zero line confirms the overall trend direction. When the MACD and signal lines are above the zero line, the asset is considered to be in a strong uptrend. When they are below the zero line, the asset is in a downtrend. Advanced tip: combining MACD and RSI. Use the MACD to confirm your trend direction and the RSI to confirm the momentum speed and potential exhaustion. MACD is better for long-term trend. RSI is better for short-term overbought/oversold status. If your MACD is above zero uptrend and your RSI shows a bullish divergence, you have a high probability long signal. Always look for this synergy. The MACD crossover is one of the most powerful and time-tested signals. Practice using it to confirm your chart patterns. What settings do you use for your MACD? 12, 26, 9 is standard. Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Weather Finance for the next video on moving averages.